Good morning, students. Today we will study about gaseous state, the state of matter having loosely arranged particles held with a very weak force of attraction, which shows highest volatility, that means conversion of state as soon as possible, and negligible force of attraction between them. Such particles are called gas. Now let us proceed toward learning the properties of gas. Gases do not have definite shape. The gases particles are very far apart because of the negligible force of attraction, and thus these particles can move in all directions randomly, freely. So they do not have any open surface. Like liquids, gases also acquire the shape of the container. For example, if we blow air in different shape of balloon, it acquires different shape as per the shape of the container it is filled in. Next property of gases, gases do not have fixed volume because of the particles have higher kinetic energy. They have maximum space between two intermolecular particles and they can move in all directions. Therefore, they can occupy the given space. So, gases do not have any fixed volume. Third property of gases, gases are highly compressible. That means we can compress it by applying force. Gases are highly compressible because the particles are far apart under normal condition. When we push it, when we apply pressure on it, the particles get accommodated in the gaps. The particles come close in the gaps. High pressure is required to compress a gas. That is why LPG, CNG are kept at high pressure in the cylinder. We know well about LPG and CNG. LPG stands for liquefied petroleum gas and CNG stands for compressed natural gas. Here the word liquefied means, in both the abbreviation, there is a word liquefied. Liquefied means the gas is converted into liquid, and that is by applying more pressure. It is the general law that gases can be compressed by lowering the temperature and applying more pressure. And thus gases get converted into liquid state. It get liquefied. You might have seen when you blow air in the balloon, it take variable shape. But after excess amount of air is being filled, it burst. And if you touch the layer of the balloon, rubber balloon, you would found that it get wet. Some watery content is being applied over the surface of it. That is the air which we blow in the balloon, under pressure it get liquefied. So under pressure gases get liquefied. Next property, thermal expansion. Thermal expansion means when we apply heat, gases expand. They show more kinetic energy. The gases show high thermal expansion because of very weak interparticular force of attraction in the gases. The particles of gas continuously strike on the walls of the container, which causes pressure on the wall. Because they randomly move here and there, and while moving here and there, they strike to the surface of the wall and apply pressure on it. It is common experience that when we place an inflated balloon in the sunlight for some time, it bursts. What is the reason for this? Why it burst? It burst due to thermal expansion. By getting heat, the layer get expand. Similarly, daily life experience, when we keep our cycle under sunlight in open ground where huge amount of sunlight is falling on the surface, the tires get burst. That is also one of the example of thermal expansion, that due to heat gases particle expand, and while expanding the surface layer get thinner and thus it burst. Next property, low density. Density we know very well, mass per unit volume. The density of the gases is very low. The particles of gases are very far apart from each other. It means number of particles per unit volume are very few. So mass per unit volume is very low. Thus we can say that gases have very low density. Rigidity and fluidity. Rigidity, that means maintenance of the shape, hardness, and fluidity, ability to flow. Intermolecular attraction is least in the gases because of the large intermolecular space. Due to this reason, they have negligible rigidity but maximum fluidity. The space present in between the intermolecular particles allow it to flow randomly here and there. Thus, gases experiences maximum fluidity. Last one property, that is diffusion. Gases diffuse randomly at very rapid rate from one place to another place. In gases, the rate of diffusion is very high as the particles have high kinetic energy. The rate of diffusion increases with increase in the temperature because kinetic energy of the particle increases with increase in temperature. And one general example for this we discuss, that is the hot sizzling food smell afar apart. One thing, that aroma particles are in gaseous state in steam form. Second thing, enough space is there in between the particles and does it diffuse from one place to another place at high rapid rate. Due to this reason of diffusion, one more example we can discuss. The perfume spread quickly in summer as compared to the winter. Why? Because in summer temperature is higher comparative to the winter's day. Due to diffusion, the gases intermix easily. Generally, the rate of diffusion is inversely related with the density. Density low, diffusion high. Density high, diffusion low. In cases of gas, density is very low and thus diffusion is maximum. Thank you.